Hello, what's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, about me, I'm Abhijit, and I love to do creative things every time. Uh, I believe in create something that makes history. All right. So today we'll learn such things that beyond our expectation, beyond our imagination, or beyond our creation. All right. So you have to think out of the box. You have to think in such a way that no one can ever think of it. Clear? So, our today's first topic or first session is all about visual thinking process. All right, like how you have to see things, how you have to understand objects, how you can relate your subject with your own imagination, how you can merge these two things together and create a new idea. All right, in this first topic we will focus only in these things, cause look, tools are for fools. I'm so sorry, please forgive me if I hurt someone, then please forgive me. Yeah, tools is important, but when you're expert, who use the tools? The experts use the tools. The kids play with the tools. You want to be the expert or you want to be the kids? That's up to you, right? So we will learn what is designing. All right. So you can see our first topic is visual thinking process. Why this topic? Why? I want to show you one thing, how I see things and how you have to see things. All right. So if I give an example, I have a two pictures. For an example, I have a two pictures. Let's hide the, yes, I have two pictures. You can see, right? You can see there is a two clouds in a different times, right? One is in the evening, this one is in the evening time, and the another one is like around, it's in a noon time or in the morning. Clear? What you can see in this tool, can you please explain? Or you no need to explain, just think wisely or think in a different way. Don't say these things are cloud. I know these are cloud, the rest of the people know these are cloud, this everyone knows this two thing or these two pictures are cloud. What else you can see in this? How you observe, how you find a different objects in a different subjects. All right, in this what you can see, what you can see in this, what you can see, you have to see in a different way. All right, if I give an example, in this image I see a duck. Can you look? These are the beaks. Let's open the stroke, or let's create the brush. Look, look, I see objects in such a this way. Look, I see another duck. Even now, after like creating this, you see this as a duck, right? You see this as a leg. This is another one. This is another kid, right? So find story in subjects. Find story in your pictures. The picture can be anything. If you see my face, find your character. Find extraordinary things in my face. If I see you, I try to reimagine you as my character. All right. So in another image, trust me guys, it's a fun game. What I can suggest you to enhance your creation, like creativity, in our first topic, I already mentioned that it's a visual thought process. How you have to see things, how you have to grasp things, how you have to visualize things. What is visualization? What is imagination? Right? So see things in a different way. In this image, look, I didn't fix all this to image, not a pre-planned image. Trust me guys, before this session, just before 2 minutes ago, I was thinking I need to show something unique that no one can know ever. Like, नहीं पता उन लोग को इसके बारे में. They see things, they see these two clouds every day. They see clouds in sky every day in a different shapes. But we didn't see things. You can keep this as a hobby. Take a If you have a pen tab, like a tablet, the Samsung tablet or the mobile phone tablet, just download a drawing application. If you have a MacBook, like the what we call it, it's a Apple tablet, right? Click the photo, take a pen, and just go through it. Or you can do it in your mobile phone. Everyone have a smartphone nowadays. Go click a photo, come to your desktop, sit in front of your computer, paste that the photo in Photoshop, execute it. Try to create a whole bunch of a story, your creation. At least after 10 years, you can see what you did. All right. Look, always be enough tools, always be. Look, in this creativity or in this thought process or in this process, no one, or especially I did not talk about any single tools. I just use this software as a medium to showcase you the two artworks, how to execute. That's it, guys. और क्या क्या मैंने कुछ भी नहीं. So trust me, these tools for fools. Be the creative guys. See things in a different way. Look in this image. What I can see? I can see a different dragon. Look, this is a dragon's leg. Fine. This you can make is like hair or something like a huge giant kind of thing. Of this. And here is the fire. Look, I found two stories. How? I didn't pre-plan it. No one teach me this. I found it personally. Explore things, guys. Explore things. Everything is within yourself, like in your surroundings. I can see this camera as a character. I can see this camera as a character. Look, if this is my camera, look, can you see? It's a GoPro. So I can make my character something look like this, man. Fine, here is his body. Fine. Boom. Here. Boom. Drawing is nothing. I don't believe in like, I just believe in shapes. Boom. His eyes. Pow. Fine. Then make this his mouth. Then like this. That's it. Look, here is my camera. Here's my character. I just see things like, okay, you can perform like this. Hey, hey, come on. Find life in your dead objects. In that way you can see only things. You can enhance your brain. You can talk with a lot of things. I can talk with a pen. I can make this pen as a character. No, I want you to be a unique person, not the same like already there is in a crowd. Like if this pen is my character, I'm a character. Hey, hello, hey, what's up? I'm just teaching us like a designing kind of visual thinking. Hey, all right, I know. Please don't disturb me right now. I'm teaching. All right. So look, this now I can feel this pen as my character, and I can design according to that. Look, I can make him like look like his head will be look like this. Then I can make him look like, yes, it's up to you. It's up to you. So I want to give you a self practice at least for 48 hours. See each and everything's in a different way. Find life in your character. Try to find a story in your objects, subjects, whatever it can be. It can be your mug, your pencil, your paper, your shirt, your wardrobe, your shoes. Talk to them, understand, feel it. In this way you can enhance your brain, enhance your creativity, or else no, not possible. Clear? So thanks, this is our first session. In our next session, what we will learn what is designing and how we have to think and how we have to execute the design. All right, in this next session we will cover up this topic. Thanks guys, thanks a lot. Stay safe.